We are here today with the founder of the Salon. Can you tell us more about the festival?
Yes, I'm the founder of the Blue Metropolis Festival, which I created in 1999, and which is actually unique in the world in the way it uses language, different languages, because there are many writers who come who write in different languages. And in some festivals, their work is translated into French or into English, whatever the language of the city is. But at Blue Metropolis, many of those writers actually appear using their own language, and the public comes in that speaks those languages. So it's really, it's a wonderful festival. I left it 3 years ago, and I set up a publishing house, and I also publish an online magazine, which is called Salon.
Oh, yes. How do you find our Romanian author, Felicia Mihai?
Well, I knew Felicia, and I certainly knew of her when I was running Blue Metropolis for 13 years, because she herself had a blog, a literary blog, and she was also an author of books and was invited to participate in the festival for books that she had written in French. And then after I left, I met her, and we were talking about my salon, and she was going to contribute to that. And she did, in fact. And then she told me that she had actually written a novel in English, because she knew I was going to become a publisher of books. And so I asked to see it, and she sent it to me. She emailed it to me that very evening. This was in 2011, maybe September, sometime like that. And so she emailed it to me that evening, and I accepted it. And so that's how it happened. I had no idea that she was writing in English until that day.
Okay, so it has been 3 years now that you knew about this, and you've planned already that to do this this night?
Well, I started up my publishing business in the spring, exactly 3 years ago, 2011, at around this time, and I started with the Salon, and then I was planning to publish books, and so I was interested in finding the books that I would publish, which is when I very happily met up with, we had coffee, Felicia and I, and that was where I learned that she actually had a book that she had written in English, which I think was amazing. It's very rare for someone to have a book who can write she had published in Romanian, she had published in French, but to be able to publish in English is also, as well, is so unusual that I can only think of 3 other people who do that in the world. So I was very interested, and as I say, I chose the book and have published. That one was The Darling of Kandahar, and it came out spring of 2012, and just now we're launching tonight the second novel that she has written in English, which is A Second Chance.
Can you tell us how many authors have been here today?
Yes, well, I've been having a launch event at this festival each year, so this is the 3rd year, and so the authors of books who were here this evening are those who have published a book since the last festivals, in the last year. So there were, I think, 6 or 7 authors of books, but in addition there were 4 people who contribute to the online magazine. And so altogether we were a dozen people. It was a big event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.